In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas greeting card using Lucidpress, now called Mark. This is a fun and easy way to create a personalized holiday card for friends, family, or even clients. Start by opening your web browser and going to Mark. If you don't have an account yet, sign up, it only takes a moment. Once you're logged in, head straight to the templates section and search for Christmas greeting cards. You'll see plenty of festive designs to choose from, so pick one that matches the style you want. After opening your chosen template, it's time to customize it. Click on any text box to change the message, adjust the font, or tweak the color to match your holiday theme. You can drag and reposition text or design elements anywhere on the card using the drag and drop editor. Next, replace the images if you want. You can upload your own photos, add holiday graphics, or keep the original design elements. If you're creating a folded card, double check the inside and back text so everything lines up correctly when printed. To make your card stand out, explore the Elements panel. Here, you can add icons, shapes, or festive illustrations and recolor them to match your design. Take a moment to preview the card and make sure everything looks balanced and festive. Once you're happy with the final design, you can download your card as a PDF, JPG, or PNG for printing or digital sharing. You can also share it online directly with family and friends. And that's it. You've successfully created a Christmas greeting card in Lucidpress. Now, Mark, have fun designing and enjoy spreading some holiday cheer.